Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today I'll be showing you around Skomer Island, a world famous nature reserve just off the coast of Pembrokeshire in Wales, which is also home to thousands of Atlantic puffins and many other seabird species. So if you do go on to enjoy this video, please leave a like and remember to subscribe so you don't miss a future video from me. So let's just get into the video. Skomer is the largest of the Pembrokeshire Islands, a national nature reserve of international importance for seabirds, including the Atlantic puffin. This was my first time seeing these birds in person, so it was amazing to be given the opportunity to visit the island. Skomer also has the largest and most accessible colonies of seabirds in southern Britain. The cliffs house many different seabird species: fulmars, razorbills, guillemots and kittiwakes. Puffins also nest in burrows on the cliff tops, which you'll see later in the video. Although you can't see them here in this clip, there were a few grey seals resting on this patch of rock, and this area of the island in general is also a place where you can sometimes spot dolphins and even whales in the summer months. And we've now made it to the part of the island where the majority of the puffins reside. There are hundreds of burrows here that you can often see puffins running in and out of. The Atlantic puffin, also known as the common puffin, is a species of seabird in the auk family, and the only puffin species native to the Atlantic Ocean. This species is known for its black and white plumage and a contrasting red and black beak with orange legs. The Atlantic puffin is currently listed as vulnerable by the IUCN, which is why it's so important to conserve the populations on islands such as Skomer. I visited the island in May, which is at the height of the puffin's breeding season, and these birds spend the autumn and winter months out at sea, and they return to land towards the end of spring for the breeding season. These puffins are excellent swimmers that use their wings to stroke underwater with a flying motion. They can dive to depths of 200 feet, though they usually stay underwater for only 20 to 30 seconds, and they typically hunt small fish like herring or sand eels. I do hope you have all enjoyed this video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe if you did, and I will see you in the next video.